Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage affiliate marketing with Nordstrom step by step clearly. First, visit the Nordstrom affiliate program website. Sign up for an account by filling out the application form. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available on the platform. Browse Nordstrom's product catalog and select items that fit your niche. Generate your unique affiliate links for these selected products. Use the links in your content, whether it's through a blog, social media, or videos. Create high-quality content that highlights the benefits of the products. Incorporate calls to action within your content to encourage clicks on your affiliate links. Track your performance through the analytics tools provided in your dashboard. Analyze which products perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay updated with Nordstrom's latest promotions and sales to share with your audience. Engage with your audience regularly to build trust and encourage purchases. Experiment with different types of content, such as reviews and style guides. Monitor industry trends and adapt your approach as needed. Test various promotional techniques to see what converts best. Consistently optimize your content for search engines to increase visibility. Be mindful of compliance with FTC guidelines regarding affiliate disclosures. Maintain communication with the Nordstrom affiliate support team for assistance. Evaluate your overall performance at the end of each month to assess growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.